State University is collaborating with one of their alum's business in a fun way. Wright State Athletics is working with Southern Ohio Brewing to produce the first ever Raider-branded beer called Rowdy Blonde Ale. The ale will be available at Wright State sporting events, Southern Ohio Brewing, and local restaurants with pouring rights. The ale incorporates the Raiders' current logo while also featuring the vintage logo. Southern Ohio Brewing is owned by James Williams, who graduated from Wright State in 1991.
You know, for me, it's a way to give back to the place that's given so much to me. I had goosebumps on the first day that we canned the beer, and I'm seeing the Wright State can spinning around it.
I'm just excited to have our own beer inside the Nutter Center. I think that just makes so much sense.
Now, the Rowdy Blonde Ale is a classic blonde ale that features hops from the Pacific Northwest and a unique citrus profile, and the creators say it is perfect for game day.